stay home, stay safe. If you think about it, right now you're living the dream life. You don't need to wake up early, get dressed in the morning, squeeze with the morning commute on the trains, get stuck in the traffic. You now work from home. You do what you like whenever you like. You have time aplenty to spend with family and your kids. Catch up on all the shows you have missed on Netflix. You don't even have to go out the door. You get your favorite food and your shopping delivered right to your doorstep. However, it's only day whatever of the lockdown that you're experiencing in your country right now, and you are starting to feel a void inside after that initial high of freedom. You don't know what you're gonna do with yourself, and likely your answer to that is buy more things, order more food and bubble tea, watch more shows on Netflix, play more board games over Zoom. Nothing like mindless consumerism to fill the void. If you're still holding out for getting a job after this is over, if you're expecting business to go back to the way that it was before after this is over, then you are basically f***ed. Take it from a chain restaurant owner in Wuhan where the lockdown has just lifted.
这里卖凉活呀，一天卖凉活呀，6个人的生活。
为什么卖这么少？
现在都在那个疫情中都怕，都害怕，然后把我们自己生活都保不到，还活该来垫子的。是的。
现在都说武汉的那个无症状感染者新增的比较多，所以还是有点敏感吧。
是啊，所以说把所有公司包括把我们的计划都打乱了。那么这些员工来了，我不能说又让他回去，是不是？我现在相当于每天一开门我就亏2-3千块钱，我不开门呢，对员工也没办法交代，我自己心里也没有底。说真的，我们乐观的估计的话，可能估计要到6月份。悲观一点的话，估计最少到8月份了。
More online shopping, more eating, more binge watching is really a distraction and avoidance from having to deal with the real threat that comes at you right after the dream you're living now lives. And if you believe in that the results of tomorrow are caused by the actions you take today, now is the time to have a future plan to hit the ground running. Now is the time to be more connected to and more invested in your clients and your community to help and create something for them to survive the now and plan for the future. Now is the time to have a business model that is 90% online and 10% offline. Now is the time to get busy with building teams and combining communities online with fellow creators so that you, your people, the people in Singapore and the people in the world live through these times inspired and excited by a whole new reality and a purposeful new future. So, stay home and be inspiring. See you next week.